Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to hard refresh and reset Safari on your MacBook. A hard refresh is useful when a website is not updating properly, loading old content, or acting buggy because of cached files and stored website data. Let's start with the quickest method first. If you simply want to hard refresh the current web page in Safari, press Command plus Option plus R on your keyboard. This forces Safari to reload the page and fetch fresh content from the website instead of using the old cached version stored on your Mac. This is usually enough if a web page looks broken or changes are not appearing. Now, if the problem still continues, you can clear Safari's cache and website data completely. Open Safari, then move to the top left corner and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Inside the Settings window, switch to the Privacy tab. Here you'll see an option called Manage Website Data. Click on it. This section shows all cookies, cache files, local storage, and other website data currently saved in Safari. If only one specific website is causing problems, use the search bar to find that website, select it, and click Remove. This clears the saved data only for that site without affecting everything else. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. There's also another useful method for clearing only Safari cache without removing cookies or logins. Click Safari in the menu bar and choose Settings. Then open the Advanced tab. Scroll to the bottom and enable Show Features for web developers. Once enabled, close the Settings window and click the New Develop menu in the top menu bar. From there, select Empty Caches. This clears Safari cache files instantly while keeping most website logins intact. And that's it. You now know how to hard refresh Safari, clear cache for individual websites, and fully reset Safari website data on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.